Okay, hey Facebook. I wanted to demonstrate because I have a whole bunch of requests of what my version of a silk press is. Now, as of right now, you can see here, this is just my standard shampoo blow dry. The client doesn't have any oils in her hair, but you can see here, this is her natural hair. It's super smooth. But since everybody's interested in the silk press, we're gonna get her hair cut first, and we're doing a special haircut. We're doing a long layer haircut based off the shape of her head. So as you can see, it's parted off the rounds of her head. So we're gonna get, basically we're trying to build weight in her hair. Since she has fine hair, but she has a ton of it, we wanna give her the maximum amount of volume. So we're gonna trim basically about an inch off of the length. We're gonna keep as much length as we can. We're gonna have a blunt cut, but here is where our play is gonna be, like where our party is gonna be. She's gonna have a lot of choppy layers there. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the sides. And I'm just, while I'm doing the haircut, I'm just following my guide from my previously cut section. So my client likes to wear her hair long, and we're gonna keep as much length as we can. As you can see, we got an even guide here now. So we got our guide established, and you can see versus before, it looks fuller. So we've added weight to this hair. So now, since we're done with that, we can unclip this here, and we're gonna work. We're gonna split the section in half. We're gonna work from the bottom to the top, okay? So I'm gonna establish a guide here in the middle, and this is where she'll have the most layers. And follow me on Snapchat. I recorded a full video, a full tutorial on there. You can see, but this, even the direction that I blew dry the hair in, it plays a part. So we're cutting the hair based off of where it lives here. And we're having a traveling guide. So every time I cut a piece, I bring a piece from my previously cut section. As you can see here, this is where I'm working. And if you ever lose your guide, drop some of the hair, refind it, but we're here. So as you can see here, you see it's getting a shape. Okay, I'm gonna change sides since I'm working over here now. That way I can see my guide. Here we go, here's my guide.
it's really subtle, so I think people that are scared to get their
haircut. This is the
would
perfect
like this kind of
haircut. When people hear the words,
she's the only one I let cut my hair.
People hear the words haircut and they get nervous. Just because you have a thorough haircut does not mean you lose a lot of inches. Like as you can see here, she still has a whole bunch of length. But as you can see, do you see that movement there?
Yes.
This is her hair. Swing your hair. Her hair moves away from her. This is just her natural hair. We haven't even got to the good part. We haven't even got to the silk press yet. Okay, so now here we can play. So to get that dramatic, like what I call the bedroom hair, she's gonna have a natural, if you will, like a bang, almost swoop. Well, it would be more so a swoop effect. She's not gonna have a distinctive bang because she likes to wear her hair pushed back from her face. But this is gonna give us the maximum value. So we're gonna cut shorter pieces here. The longer pieces, the short pieces are gonna push the longer pieces back. And so if you can imagine a silhouette, it's like a rainbow. It's gonna go around. Like I said, I'm taking a small section from my previously cut hair. Bringing this all forward. We go here. I still have my guide. I have not lost my guide at all. There we go. Look at that. It's layered nicely and her hair looks fuller. She still has her length. She still has length in the front, but she has layers. She can play with her hair. She can flip it out of her face. She can move it. Alright, we're done with the base of the haircut. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to grab this entire section. And since I did just blunt cut it, we're going to give her a little bit of texture. So I'm going to point cut it a little bit to break up that bluntness so her layers fall seamlessly into each other. They like melt together and it blends with the back.
Doesn't she sound so smart?